up, y'all? It's your girl on my It's Day, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as y'all see by the title, we finna be getting ready together, and we're gonna go out tonight. So I already got in the shower. I moisturized my face and everything, but right now I'm really ready to do my hair. This wig is really on super tight. I don't know what I did, but like I feel it squeezing right here, so that's how I know it's super tight. But yeah, I'm really not going to record like the steps to my makeup routine because this is not a makeup routine video. I'm strictly just going to do my makeup how I do. This may or may not be in fast motion or time lapse or whatever, so don't look forward to that. But other than that, hey, how y'all been? We had a little get together, girls' night last night, so I'm kind of a little hungover, but it's okay. Tonight we're going out. I don't know if I'm gonna drink tonight. It's just a real chill vibe, you know, smoke with it and chill like at a little club or whatever that they have out here. So I'm not gonna do too much. I was gonna do eyeshadow, but I don't know if I'm gonna do eyeshadow anymore because I'm not really that good at eyeshadow and I really don't feel like experimenting on my face, you know, when I'm about to go out. So I'm gonna just stick to what I know, and yeah, a little oily because the oil that was on my scalp like melted on here from me getting a shower. But sorry, just let me get this out of the way. How was it? What?
You couldn't.
You didn't see us when you came in?
No.
Oh yeah, so I'm done my hair. I just did a little ponytail because I really couldn't figure out how to curl it, so I just didn't do it. And I straightened it, but the oil from like my scalp went into the hair, so it's like it was silky. I'm not really messing with it, so I just did a ponytail. I'm gonna take it off, but I need to figure out my hairstyle first. Very to do my makeup. I didn't know that the thing started between 2 and 9. And right now it's 6 o'clock. So like, I don't know. I wasn't timing myself, but now I guess I gotta time myself because it literally started already. So I'm ready to hurry up and beat the face. I don't even know what the words, to be honest, but you gonna figure it out. Some people be using this. I use it, but I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I'm gonna use it today.
body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm hurting. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, proclaim me. This can't be our first time. We might have been for this version. Looking for something that I've been never. You got that shit with somebody but love for the move right. You might have this before. This can't be our first time. Looking for something that I've been never can find. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me say it's the best. Pointing the nigga who act like a killer, but you only work from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got a cake, I'ma do what it takes.
And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. Back out a little, let the garden eat it. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
Why?
Like, you have to be sure. Like, your face is fine the way it is. You don't need a little dot. Not saying that you did before, but that's how they used to do the little dot.
I put on highlight. I don't wear highlight no more. I got the camera about to die. I'm gonna just switch the battery and then we're gonna pick out the outfit. Oh, we can't forget to wipe off my nose rings. Someone takes it. Hey, I got this skirt off of Shein. It's giving island girl. It's giving I need to be on the island. So I'm not gonna wear this. I'm not gonna wear this, but it went perfect for my purse. I am about to try on something and I'll get back. Hey y'all, so
I'm sorry.
oh I think that's cool, I'm sorry. This is what I'm gonna wear. I ripped the crop that I made. Little ponytail, I got the shades on. A white YSL bag and some bootcut jeans with my heels. I feel like dancing in that.
Kill Bill. It's all too.
But yeah, I'm taller than you.
We're the same right now.
You,
Yeah.
I can see. Hmm? You can take off my lip gloss. So yeah, I'm about to put on my perfume that I got from Marshalls. I don't care. Look,
I'm getting expensive.
you don't like it?
It smelled good, but it was too strong just now.
Yeah.
That smell.
That's all we need.
A
And some
nice
lotion.
little oil. What's it called? Kitty cat.
See. So, this is Chloe. I didn't take her outside today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just peeping. She loves being under me. Right, boo? Yes. I'm your mama. I'm your mama. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to repost my video so I can repost it on my story. With that being said, I love all you guys and thanks for watching. Also, comment any other ideas y'all want to see done by me. So, purr, 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 purr.